Hello, dear little cute learners. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter. And today we have chapter number 6, which is division. So, division means repeated subtraction. Till now, we learnt about the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Now, it's time for the division. Division is equal distribution or sharing of things. We use division to share equally. The symbol of this is the symbol of division, is used to show division. Repeated subtraction. We can use repeated subtraction to divide in equal groups. Find out in how many equal groups of 4 can 24 be divided into. So we have to make group of 4 and we have to divide 24 in equal groups. So 24 minus 4 20, 24 minus 4 16, 64 minus 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 minus 4 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So what we have to do, we have to subtract till when we get the 0. So we get 0 at the 6 times. So it means, so in this 24 is dividend. Now we have the parts of division. So 24 is called the dividend, 4 is the divisor and 6 is the quotient. So we have total 3 parts. The number to be divided is dividend. The number that we are dividing by is called the divisor, and the answer in division it's called your quotient. Okay students, I hope so it's clear to you. Now divide 48 by 8 using repeated subtraction. So again you have to follow the same process. 48 minus 4 40, 40 minus 8 is 32, 32 minus 8 is 24, 24 minus 8 is 16, 16 minus 8 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So you have to do this in same way and you will got your answer. You get the 0 at 6 times. Okay. Now division as forming groups. We can take 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 as shown as how many 4s. Okay. We can take 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 as how many 4s are there in 8. Let its 8 spoons and divide them into 4 groups of each. So how many groups we have if we divide 8 spoons into 2 groups? So 2 groups total we have. Now take another example. Suppose we have to find 15 divided by 3. Here we have to find how many 3's are there in 15. Let us take 15 toffees and divide them into 3 groups. So what you find? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total we have 5 groups. Okay. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Now we have our exercise. So what you have to do, divide by repeated subtraction and write the question. So 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So how many times we write 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we get when we divide 16 by 4? We get 4. So in same way you have to solve the rest of the questions you have with the help of repeated subtraction, and this is very easy because till now we learned about the subtraction very deeply. Write the division facts for the following situation. The first one is done for you. So 30 oranges are kept equally in 6 baskets. How many oranges are there in each basket? So 30 divided by 6 is 5. Now 28 toffees are distributed equally among 14 children. How many toffees will be each child get? So 28 divided by 14. So how many chocolates each student get? 2 chocolates is get each student. Sunil has 56 balls. He puts them in 7 boxes. How many balls will be there in each box? So 56 divided by 7 is equal to 8. How can you find these answers? For example, you have to put these 7 boxes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now in this you can distribute your 56, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So in each box we get the 8 chocolates. So by doing this you can get your answer. If you have any doubt, so you can choose your repeated subtraction method as well. So similarly you have to do this question as well. After that you have to know your skill, you have to evaluate yourself and solve this question your own. Now relation between multiplication and division. Division and multiplication are inverse of each other. Look at each other. There are 5 baskets of 4 bananas each. There are 20 bananas in all though. So we get 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. Let us look at the above collection the other way round. Here 20 bananas have been distributed equally among 5 baskets. Each basket have 4 bananas. So how can we get it? If we divide 20 by 5, so we get 4 baskets. It's 4 bananas in each basket. So it means this is the inverse of the multiplication. Now 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 and 20 divided by 5 is 4 and 20 divided by 4 is 5. So write the multiplication fact for 40 divided by 5 which is 8. So how can you write it? 5 multiplied by 8 is equal to 40 or 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. Simply you can do this. Write two division facts for this multiplication fact of 9 multiplied by 4. So 9 4s are 36. You can solve it. 36 divided by 4 is 9 and 36 divided by 9 is 4. Okay students, I hope so this is clear to you. You just have to change the numbers. If you divide 36 by 4, what you get? 9. If you divide 36 by 9, what you get? 4. At the end of the moment you have your same numbers 9 and 4. If you take here 4, so what is your number? The next number 9. If you take here 9, so the next number rather than 5 is 4. So your answer will be 4. Okay. Now we move forward to exercise 6b and here we have write the multiplication fact for each of the following. So the multiplication fact for this is 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. For this 9 multiplied by 9 is equal to 81. So in same way you have to solve. Now write the division facts for each of the following multiplication fact. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So 30 divided by 5. If I write here 5, so what is my answer? 6. And if I write here 6, then my answer is 5. So in same way you have to solve for rest of the questions you have. Now we have properties of division. When a non-zero number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Whenever we divide any number with 1, so we get the number itself as the quotient. When a non-zero number divided by itself, the quotient is same. If I divide 4 by 4, so what I get? 1. If I divide 8 by 8, so I get 1. It means whenever I divide a same number with itself only, so I get the answer 1. Whenever you divide any number with 0, so you will what you get? You get 0. When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, the quotient is 0. We know that any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Similarly, the same thing is applying here. Now, dividing any number by 0 has no meaning. Let us try to divide 6 by 0 by the use of repeated subtraction. So, the same answer we got, so it means there is no mean of dividing any number with 0. Now, we have our next exercise. 7 divided by 7, whenever we divide a same number with the itself only, so we get 1. 1. 0 divided by 9 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. 21 divided by 1 is 21. So in same way you have to solve these questions. Division using multiplication tables. Divide 56 by 7 using multiplication table. So now you have to see where we got 56. So at the place of 8 we get 56. It means 8 is the quotient. So in 7's table when we get 56 at the 8th place. So this is our quotient and answer, and remainder is 0 because 56 minus 56 is 0. Okay. When remainder is 0, we always have divisor multiplied by quotient is equal to dividend. Okay. Now, we have to check at what place we get 28 in 4th table. So, 28 we get at the 7th place. 9 in 36, so we got 36 at the 4th place. 27 we got at the place of 3. So in same way you have to solve rest of the questions you have. Now long division methods. How can we solve it? Let's take. Divide 484 by 4. So whenever we have to divide any number, so what we do, first we have to write the table of that particular number. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 2 3s are 12, then 16, 20. Okay, we need till that. So in 4 place, we got 4 at first place. So we write here 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then we switch to next number which is 8. So in 4th table, we get 8 as 2's place, second place. So we write 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So we take 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Next, 4 we have to shift to downwards, and 4 we take at the first place. So our end answer is 121. So similarly, you have to solve this question. Okay. Now we take one more example to understand more clearly. Why we get 3 in 3's table at first place, 6 at second place, 9 as 3 place. So 123 is our answer. Okay. Now we have our exercise 6E. So now we have a question 981 divided by 3. So I hope so students you learned the table of 3. You have to take first here 9. 3 3s are 9. So we write here 3. Cross. Next number 8. So 8 it's not coming in 3's table. So we take 6 which comes at the place of 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. Shift to the next number 21. Then we take 21 which comes at the place of 7. So your answer is 327. Next 3. So in 3's table 6 will come at the place of 2. 9 is at the place of 3 and 1 is at the place of 1. So 231 is your answer. So in same way you have to solve rest of the questions. If you see here, if 591 divided by 1 is, your answer will remain same 591. Okay students, I hope so this is clear to you and you can solve rest of the questions. Okay. Long division method with remainder. Now we have some questions at the end of the moment we left with a remainder which is not 0. So 75 divided by 5. So first in 5's table we don't have 7. So we take 5 first. 7 minus 5 is 2. And at the place of 1 we got 5. So we write 1 here. Then we shift the next number downwards. So our new number will be 27. For 27 we take 25. So 27 minus 25 is 2. And we take 25 at the place of 5. So what is our answer? Our answer is quotient is 15 and remainder is equal to 2. Now we have next exercise 99 divided by 8. So what can we do? In 8's table we have 8 at the place of 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then shift to the next number downwards 19. For 8's table we have 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 8 threes are 24. So what we have to take here? We have to take here 16 only, which is at the place of 2. 19 minus 16 is 3. So your quotient is 12 and your remainder is 3. This is your answer. Same for this one. Next question we have 55 divided by 2. So for 5 we take 4 which comes at the place of 2 in 2's table. 5 minus 4 is 1. Next shift to the next number 1 5 15. So we take 14 which come at the place of 7. 15 minus 14 is 1. So we have 1 remainder and 27 are quotient. Okay. So quotient is 27 and remainder is 1. So you have to solve rest of the question same as I do. And next you have division by 10. So whenever you have to divide with 10, so what you have to do? Your 0. If you have 1 0 is here, 1 0 is, these two zeros are cancel out with either and at the moment you got 5. Now in this case what can you do? If you have this number, then in tens place you take 6 and 0 will be 60. 10 multiplied by 6 is 60 and 5 is left. So your remainder is 5 and this is your quotient. In this case your 11 and you take 10, then shift to the next number. So it means again you can cross out. 0 is cancel out with 0 and cancel out. The answer is 11 only. In this case what have to you do? For 462 you have to take first 40, then 4 multiplied by 40, then 62, 60 and then 2. So when a number is divided by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the unit digit from the number. The digits at unit place is the remainder only. Now in this case what we are doing? First we take 56 and tens table. So we can take 50 which is comes at the place of 5 and we have a remainder of 6. Okay. Next in this case you can break down the cancel which cancel out 0. So how many numbers you have? 12. Okay. So where you have 0 and 0, you can cancel out and write your answer. Otherwise, you have to take the whole. So if we have 93 divided by 10, so what we have to take? 90. 93 minus 90, we left with 3 and we take 90 at the place of 9. So quotient is 9 and remainder is 3. Okay. In this, if you see, your quotient will be 4 and your remainder will be 4. Okay. In this, we can cancel 0 and our final answer is 65. Now we have word problems on division. So the same process we have to apply here as well, that we just have to identify our situation based question and further apply the division process. 10 books cost 480. How much does each book cost? So what you have to do for 480 divided by 10. So 0 is cancelled out with 0. Your final answer is 48. Divide 56 marbles equally among 7 children. How many will each child get? So you have to check 56 divided by 7. So in 7 8 is 56. So you can cancel out. And how many marble each children get? 8 marbles. So I hope so students this is clear to you. You just have to identify the question in your daily base school this and then you will get your answer. 100 pen cost 900. What is the cost of one pen? Two zeros are cancelled out with 0. So it means 9 rupees. This is the cost of 9 pen. Okay. So you can solve this rest of the question and at the moment you have your worksheet and when you have your worksheet it means you have a combination of questions we learned till now in our different exercise. So you can solve this exercise your own and then you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform in your maths lab. With that your chapter is ends here. I hope so students this chapter it's clear to you and you understood it very well. Now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter. Till that, bye bye, have a good day.